She's my little. She looks like her mom. Sporting. She's got lots to know. She's sure to know that I'll quietly smile.
Mommies and daddies, how much do you spend time with your kids? My name is Ika, and I will be telling you stories about buying an hour of daddy's time. A father came home from work late again and tired. He found his daughter waiting for him at the door. Daddy, may I ask you a question? Yeah, sure. What's it? Daddy, how much money do you make an hour? That's none of your business.